and Shine with Marwa. I'm so happy you're here today because we're going to talk about something that so many of us experience, but rarely talk about honestly. Here's my question for you. Are you losing control? Have you ever had those moments when life feels like a storm? You wake up in the morning and before you even get out of bed, your mind is already racing. Deadlines, responsibilities, notifications, social media, people's expectations. It feels like life is moving faster than you can handle, and no matter what you do, you just can't catch up. If you know this feeling, let me tell you, you are not alone. And today, we're going to talk about it together. So first, what does it really mean to lose control? It doesn't mean you're weak. It doesn't mean you failed. It means that for a moment, you feel like you have no power over your life. Maybe you can't manage your emotions. Maybe you feel like your time is slipping away. Maybe everything is just too much and it feels like it's all falling apart. And you know what? That's okay. It happens to all of us. Now, why does this happen? There are so many reasons. Maybe you're under a lot of stress at work, at school, or in your family. Maybe you're going through big changes in life and it's overwhelming. Or maybe, and this is a big one, you're comparing yourself to others. Let's be honest, social media makes this even worse. You scroll through Instagram or TikTok, and what do you see? Perfect lives, perfect homes, perfect vacations, perfect success stories. And then you look at yourself and think, why is my life so different? Why is everything so messy? But here's the truth. Those pictures are not real life. Nobody is perfect. Everybody struggles. Even the people who look like they have it all together, they have bad days too. So what can we do when we feel like everything is out of control? Here are 3 simple but powerful steps. Step 1. Pause and breathe. When your mind is full of noise, stop for a moment. Take a deep breath. Remind yourself that it's okay to slow down. You don't have to do everything at once. Step 2. Focus on what you can control. You can't control the weather. You can't control what people say about you. But you can control your actions, your words, and your attitude. Start with one small thing. Just one. Finish it. And then move to the next. Step 3. Talk about it. Don't keep everything inside. Share how you feel with a friend, a family member, or even in a journal. When you speak your feelings, they lose their power over you. Remember this. You don't need to have everything under control to live a good life. You just need to take one step at a time. Before we finish, I want you to remember something important. Losing control is not the end. It's just a signal, a sign that you need to slow down, breathe, and focus on what really matters. You are stronger than you think. Your life is still in your hands. And no matter how heavy the storm feels today, the sun will rise tomorrow. So please, don't give up. Take one small step today and keep moving forward. Thank you so much for joining me on Speak and Shine with Marwa. If this episode gave you hope or helped you in any way, share it with someone who needs this message right now. And if you want more conversations like this, Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell me, what do you do when you feel like you're losing control? Your words might help someone else too. Until next time, keep speaking, keep shining, and take care of yourself. See you soon.